Hello crafters, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some quick and easy embroidery art, and the project we're going to be making today is actually the palm leaf in the corner. So if that sounds fun, please like, comment and subscribe and keep watching. So the materials you're going to need for this project are obviously your embroidery pen. I'm using the biggest needle in it. I'm also going to be using some fabric. I'm using cheesecloth because it worked well for this project. You're going to want your embroidery floss. I have a selection of greens here, and I also used some wool as well, and of course your embroidery hoop and an image. So to start off with, I cut my fabric, my cheesecloth, to fit the hoop a bit bigger, about 1 inch on all sides, and then I fit it into the hoop and I made sure to stretch it so it'd be very tight and easier to embroider on. Then I decided to draw my image onto the fabric. It was kind of a bad idea just to kind of freehand it. I would have kind of traced it with the light of a window or a torch, but it turned out in the end, and my pen was really light, so you really can't see it, but it'll annoy me forever. But it worked out well in the end. I just kind of tweaked it until I was very happy with it, and in the end I really am very happy with it. So once that is done, you're going to want to thread your embroidery hoop. You're going to want to put the threader right through it, and you're going to want to take your thread and then put it through the hoop in the bottom of your embroidery pen. And this is not going to be the best threading tutorial here. If you want to see a good threading tutorial, it's going to be linked up here, carded up here, so go check that. And then you're going to want to take it through the little hole in the front, and you're going to want to maybe leave about 1/2 inch, no, 1.5 inches at the end, and then you're going to want to start embroidering. So start embroidering, you're going to want to start anywhere you want, go in all the way and then just continue doing it, and that's really all about it. I like to hold my stitches so they don't slip out. I don't know, this embroidery floss is really slippery and they kind of slipped out, but if you hold it with your thumb or anything, they should stay in better. And I have a trick for if they slip out anyway, so it's not that big of a problem. It's just kind of annoying when you're doing it. So through the power of editing, I've gone all the way. I'm going to show you how to cut off. You're going to want to feed it through the end and then cut it. And there you have the first thing, the first circle. So at this stage I asked my family, should I do more? And they all said yes, unfortunately. So I decided to do a bit more, and again, to cover up the little pieces where it kind of came out, I just used my little my needle felting needle and stab it, and it goes right back in and it's perfect. So now I'm going to be using this wool, which is similar in colour, but it was a bit less slippy on the fabric, so I really did enjoy it more. And then I just sat down. It probably took me about an hour to do 4 or 5 rows of this. I watched some television and YouTube and stuff, and I just kind of did this for an hour or so. Great way to spend an afternoon, very relaxing and everything. And I'm trying to go as close to the last line as I can to get it as solid as possible. And once that is all done, I went with my little needle felting needle again, and that's it. And you can see the back is very nice as well, but I'm going to use the front as the main bit. So if you like this, please like, comment and subscribe. Tell me what you want me to do next with anything, card making or needle felting. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.